Oh man guys, Suma Performance just sent out their ceramic spray for me to try out on my car. Let's see how this looks on the 1998 Mach 1. Some of you guys may know this is my 1998 Mach 1. I owned this car since 2013. This is my very first car. So I put a lot of time and effort into this car. And between the engine swap and the paint job I did, a lot of money too. I really need to protect my investment. And what's a better way of protecting it than with Suma ceramic spray? Let's go ahead and apply this to the car. But first, we gotta wash this filthy thing. Even though it's garage kept, it still gets pretty dirty. And like I said before, it is definitely dirty. I think the last time I washed this car was probably maybe 6 months ago to a year. I think the last time I washed it was at Mustang's at Daytona, and I didn't really even wash it. I mean, just look at all the caked up dirt that's in the water. And oh yeah, y'all about to watch me struggle to turn on this pressure washer. Don't know why I can't turn it on, but for some reason, it just would not turn on for me today. Luckily, my buddy Josh was able to help me out since it is his pressure washer. So right now we are spraying off the car, just trying to get all the dirt loose. Anything that we don't have to scrub into the paint, we're trying to spray it off with the pressure washer. And now for my favorite part, the foam cannon. The soap that I'm using is amazing. It's literally eating off the dirt like it's nothing. Josh is cleaning everything up with the detailing brush, getting in all the nooks and crannies. A lot of people would miss stuff like this. Now for some of the heavier dirt, we gotta get the wash mitt to actually wipe it off. Now time to spray off all of that soap. Now let's pull it in and go ahead and hit it with the finishing touches. This step is very important. We got to make sure there is absolutely no type of water on here. We got to get this car completely dry. Now we are adding the ceramic spray from Suma. We sprayed this stuff everywhere. We sprayed the wheels, the headlights, the shaker, the fog lights, everywhere. The windshields, the window. No matter what drop of water gets on there, it'll beat up and roll right off. Look how good the car looks underneath the lights. Look how beautiful it is. It looks amazing. I think the last time it been this clean is when I painted it. Suma did a really good job on this ceramic spray. You can definitely see the sparkles and the flakes. Look at the carbon fiber on the hood scoop. The wheels look amazing. Thank you, Suma Performance, for sending me out this ceramic spray. This is just what I needed to protect the paint on my car. This product should last about 30 to 60 days or about 6 months, depending on the environment, of course, if it's garage kept or not garage kept. I'm pretty sure I'm about halfway with it, so I still got some left. So over time, I'll be able to spray it as I wash the car. Just a nice quick ceramic coating spray just to make sure everything is still activated. I also want to say thank you to Wet Whips Detailing for allowing me to detail my Mustang at their facility. Thank you, Josh, for helping me. He is the owner of Wet Whips Detailing. If you are in the tri-state area, go ahead and check them out. Link down below. If you want to pick up some ceramic spray, go ahead and check the link down below for Suma Performance. Thank you, Suma, and thank you, Wet Whips Detailing. If you are interested in my Mustang build, go ahead and check out this video right here. It's a quick 10-minute build series. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.